can't believe I actually made it here. The underworld. I can't believe I actually made it. Yo, Oxio Unreal. Dude, this is crazy. The underworld. Underworld. Wait, how am I gonna make the star now to get out? Shoot. If you like it here in the underworld, we'll make it freaking episode 10. Stop sign. Underworld home. I'll see you guys there. I made it in. Dude. Yo. But animated, basically. Underworld. Oh, shoot. Let's go here. Yo, what? Oh, shoot. Now this is... Dude, I'm scared. We have to draw the star to get us out of here. It's hard. Here we go. That's a pen, okay. Dude, the pen just like... Yo, we can't even see it. I can, but y'all can't. Okay. Now.
Hey.
How did they not see me?
Taco Bell.
Okay.
For the kids.
Oh, y'all ate Taco Bell?
I did.
Babe, you haven't eaten nothing.
I'm gonna have lunch for right now.
Yeah,
He got a little.
Whoa. What? Oh shoot, that's the light. That's pretty. What the heck? Okay, guys, bring up the new. Okay, come on. Okay, ready? 3. Here we go. We're gonna make it. We're going. 3, 2, 1. Ill with my nails. Ah!